Hey, good morning everybody. This is Maheshwara from BH Studies. Welcome back to BH Studies. Now we will discuss exercise 5.2 in 10th standard CBSE chapter 5 in chapter 5 exercise 5.2. Now we will discuss fourth question. We'll continue. Okay, already completed, remaining up to 3 questions completed. Now fourth question we will discuss. All the who are watching, don't skip this video from starting to ending, watch it, then only you can understand very clearly. Then if you are satisfied, please like, share and don't forget subscribe our channel. Okay, let's start our class. Now see, each term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. So this is the AP. Which term of the AP? Which term? AP is 78 asked. Which term of the AP is 78 asked. So first, what is the question here? See, given AP. What is that AP? Given AP. Right? What is that? 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on etc. So which term of AP? AP is which term? 78 asked. Which term you don't know, you can take that is the AN is equal to 78. Which term you don't know? AN is equal to 78. Nth term, which term that is we don't know. Nth term is 78. So AN is equal to 78. You can take. And what is it? This is the A is equal to how much? First term 3. Immediately D is equal to find a common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1. That means 8 minus 3. That is equal to 5. A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Anything we can do. The difference of two consecutive terms. Okay, right. So A2 minus A1, that is the 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. That is the common difference. That is the first term. A is equal to 3. Now nth term is given 78. Which term asked? Which term? Which term? Which term that is? So which term we don't know. Nth term is equal to 78. So you can find term. Now what is the nth term formula? Nth term, what is the general form? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 78. Okay. A is equal to how much? 3 plus n means we don't know. N minus 1 into D is equal to how much? 5 is equal to 78. This 3 transpose to the right side. So n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78. This plus 3 becomes minus 3. Now 78 minus 3 how much? 75. Okay. Now n minus 1 is equal to this into is n minus 1 into 5 into becomes here 5 by will come. 5 1s are 5 1s are 5. Here how much? 2. 5 5s are 25. 5 15s. 5 15s 75. Now n minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 is equal to 15. So n is equal to how much? 15. Minus 1 becomes plus 1 is equal to 16. N is equal to how much you got? 16. Which term of AP is 78? 16th term of AP. Therefore, 16th term of AP is 78. That's all. Note down. Please make a note. This is the 16th term of the AP is 78. That's all. Say here. Fifth problem. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. This is the Two questions are given. This is the AP, arithmetic progression. Find the number of terms asked. How many terms are there in that AP asked? How many terms means what is the meaning? You should find n. Number of terms means that is you should find n. Okay. So what is given here? What is given here? See, this is the AP means this is the first term. A is equal to 7. Okay. Next, D is equal to common difference. D is equal to how much? A2 minus A1. 13 minus 7 is equal to how much? 13 minus 7 how much? 6. Okay. Now, what is the last term here? 205. That is the last term, that is the nth term. An is equal to 205. Okay. Last term. Find n means, so nth term, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 205. A is equal to how much? 7 plus n minus 1 into D means how much here? 6 is equal to 205. Okay. Now n minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205 plus 7 becomes here minus 7. That is equal to how much? 198. Okay na? Now n minus 1 is equal to, into means by will come 6. 6 1s are 6 3s are 18, 1 carry again 6 3s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 33. Therefore n is equal to 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. So this is the answer. Please make a note. Now see second problem. A is equal to 18. D is equal to common difference A2 minus A1. This is the A1, A2, A3, like that, that is the last term. D is equal to 15 and half minus 15 and half minus 18. How much? 18 minus 15, 3. 3 minus half, 2. 2 and half. Which 2 and half? Minus 2 and half. Minus 2 and half. Okay, na? So now, nth term how much is given here? So last term is 47. Which 47? Minus 47. So that is we can write An is equal to minus 47. This one you can change into mixed fraction. This is change into improper fraction. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now nth term formula what is that? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 47. A is equal to how much? 18 plus n means we don't know. N minus 1 into D means how much? Minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. This is keep bracket. Okay. Is equal to minus 47. This one transpose to the right side. N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47 plus 18 becomes minus 18. How much do addition? Both are same symbols means we must do add. We must add the two numbers. 47 plus 18 how much? 50, 65. With 65 minus 65. Symbol is very very important. Now n minus 1 is equal to, here into n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Into becomes, here by will come. By means this one reciprocal will come. That is minus 2 by 5. Okay. 2 by minus 5, but denominator always must be positive. If it is negative, that minus symbol you must write in numerator only. Now 5 1s are 5 13s are 65. Minus into minus plus. 13 2s are how much? 26. So n minus 1 is equal to 26. N is equal to how much? 26 plus 1. That is equal to 27. That's all. Please make a note. Okay. N minus 1 is equal to 26. Here see, n minus 1 is equal to minus 65 into this one reciprocal. Here minus 5 by 2 means if you transpose this side, then reciprocal will come. Minus 2 by 5. 5 13 times. Okay, 13 jar. So minus into minus plus 13 2 jar 26. Now minus 1 transpose to the right side. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. 26 plus 1, 27. That's all. Please make a note. Now see, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. So this is the AP. Minus 150 is a term of the AP. Is a term of the AP. Minus 150 is a term of the AP or not, we should check. Okay, in the term. See, now this is the given AP. Okay, given AP. What is that AP? 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on etc. This is the AP, but minus 150 is the term of this AP or not, check. So what is that minus 150 is the term or not means we don't know which term. So we can take let nth term is minus 150 you can take. Okay. So n should be always a whole number. Okay. Remember that is. Now this is the first term. A is equal to how much? A is equal to 11. D is equal to common difference 8 minus 11 is equal to how much? Minus 3. 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now an is equal to let nth term let you can take let an is equal to we can take minus 150. Let an is equal to minus 150. Okay. Now an is equal to minus 150. Then an is equal to what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 150. Now a means how much here? A is equal to how much? 11 plus n means we don't know which term. So 1 n minus 1 into d means how much? Minus 3. That is equal to minus 150. Are you okay? This one transpose to the right side. N minus 1 into minus 3. That is equal to minus 150. Plus 11 becomes here minus 11. That is equal to minus 161. Okay. Now here I will write. N minus 1 is equal to minus 161 by here into n minus 1 into minus 3 into becomes by minus 3. Minus minus cancel. So n minus 1. So n is equal to how much? 161 by 3. Here minus 1 transport to the right side, then plus 1 will come. What is the LCM by 1? Here 3 is the LCM. How much? Here 161 plus 3 1s are 3. That is equal to 164 by 3. N is equal to how much you got? 164 by 3. Which term of the AP? N should be, N is what is that? We got fraction. Okay. Number of terms always should be positive number. Number of terms should be positive. But here fraction came. So that's why, therefore, is 150 minus 150 the term of the AP? No. No. Minus 150 is not the term of AP. It's not the term of AP. Write down. Okay. Now see, seventh problem. Find the 31st term. Find the which term? 31st term we should find. 31st term. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Here what is given? 11th term is given and 16th term is given. Find the 31st term asked. Okay? Yes, see, solution. 11th term means A11. Okay? A11 is equal to how much is given? 38. 11th term, what is the general form? A plus 10D. A plus 10D is equal to how much? 38. Okay? Next. Here, 16th term is given. This is the equation number 1 you can take. 16th term means A16 is equal to how much? 73. 16th term, how to write? A plus 15D is equal to 73. This is the equation number 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Okay. Now write down here A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 15D is equal to 73. Now A terms both are same means just you do subtraction, minus cancel. 10 minus 15 minus 5D, that is equal to 38 minus 73. 13 minus 8, 5. Here 6 minus 3, 35. With 35 minus 35. Minus to minus cancel. So now D is equal to 35 by 5. How many times? 5 ones are 7 times. So D is equal to how much you got? 7. Okay. You got D value. Then if you want to find any term, first we must know first term and a common difference, D. If you know first term and a common difference, we can find any term. We got D value, we got it. Now you can find A. This D value substitute any one equation, whether first equation or second equation, anything, no problem. Okay, this value substitute in this first equation. I will substitute here. See, A plus 10 into D means 7 is equal to 38. Now A is equal to 38. 10 sevens are how much? 70. Plus 70 becomes minus 70. That is equal to 70 minus 38. How much? 40. 70 minus 32. A is equal to how much you got? 32. Which 32? Minus 32. Okay. A value we got it. Which term asked here? 31st term. 31st term is equal to what is that? A plus 30D. Okay. A is equal to how much here? Minus 32 plus 30 into D means how much? 7. That is equal to minus 32 plus 3 7 are 21 to 10. That is equal to how much? 210 minus 32. Subtraction 2, 1 minus 1 positive means subtract. 10 minus 2, 8. Here 0. 10 minus 3, 7. Here how much left? 1. Which one now? Minus 178. That's all. Please make a note. 10 minus 32. How much here? Plus 178. 178 is the right answer. Plus 170, not minus 1. 210 minus 32. How much? 178. Okay? Plus 178. That is the 31st term. That is the 31st term. So, this one, suppose for example, they asked any competitive exam. This is the big process now. This is the procedure. It will take so much time. Suppose in the competitive exam asked me, so how to do this problem? See, shortcut. How to do? Simple answer. See, here which term is given? 11th term is given and 16th term is given. Observe here, 11th term. that is equal to A11. A11 is equal to 38. Next, 16th term, A16 is equal to how much? 73. Are you okay? First, find the common difference. How to find the common difference? D is equal to, should find here, say, these two terms difference. Term value, how much? 73 minus 38 by the suffix. These two number difference. 16 minus 11. 16 minus 11. That is equal to how much? 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8, 5. Here 6 minus 3, 35 by 16 minus 11, 5. 5 1 jar, 5 7 jar. So D is equal to how much you got? 7. Okay. Directly in this procedure solve the equation, it will take us so much time. So much time. For competitive, that is NTSC. Suppose if you are write any competitive exam, that is NTSC exam. Like that we can save the time. Simple answer. These two numbers difference, 73 minus 38 by 16 minus 11, that is equal to 35 by 5, 7. That is equal to, you will get the direct common difference D. Which term you asked? 31st term. First term, no need again. So 31st term, A31, that is equal to, in these two terms, anyone you can take. Suppose this is the nearest bigger number. What is that nearest number? 31 closer to these two numbers. Which number is closer to 31? 16. 16th term or 11th term also we can take, no problem. I will take here 16. Okay. Now 31 minus 16, how much? 15. Yes or no? 31 minus 16, how much? 15. 15. D you must do addition. 16 terms plus 15 terms. Total how much? 31 only, no? That's how to do, understand? Once again see. 31th term if you want to find means 16th term plus 31 minus 16, how much? Plus 15. 2 plus 15, D add. Suppose if you take this one, 11th term, if you write here, 31 minus 11, how much? 20. Plus add 20D. Okay? Like that we must do. Okay? Don't confuse. Now, 16th term value, how much is given here? 16th term, 73. Plus 15D, 15 into D value, how much? We got 7. Here see, 15 7 are how much? 105. 105 plus 73, 178. See, this is the shortcut. Easy method. That is also, please make a note. You can save the time. It is very useful to you. It is very useful. Shortcut. It is very useful for a competitive exam. Okay, children? Please make a note. It is very, very important, very useful. See, 8th problem. An AP consists 50 terms. That AP, how many terms are there in that AP? 50 terms. How many terms? 50 terms are there. Which third term is 12. Third term how much? 12. And the last term is 106. Last term means which term? That is 50th term is 106. Find the 29th term asked. Okay. Now see, I will tell the short method only. Already same model before, 7th model only this one. That long method also you try yourself. Short method once again I will teach you. Okay. Don't confuse. Listen carefully. Very, very useful for competitive exam also. Okay. Right. Here first what is given here? Third term. Third term means that is equal to A3 is equal to how much? 12 is given. This is the last term. Last term means which term? 50th term. A50 is equal to how much? 106. Now common difference D is equal to, how to find? What I said here before. This number minus this one. 106 minus 12 by This suffix how much? 50 minus 3. That is equal to 106 minus 12 how much? 6 minus 2, 4. Here how much? 10 minus 1, 9. 94 by 50 minus 3, 47. How many times? 47 ones are 2 times. So D is equal to how much? 2 we got. Are you understand? Okay. Now 29th term asked. 29th term asked means see. This one A29 is equal to. In these two terms, anyone you can take, I told. Okay. Now I will take here first third term. This one I will take A3. 50 also we can take. Okay, no problem. 29 minus 3 how much? 29 minus 3 how much? 26. Which 26 plus 26 plus 26 D. You must add 26 D's. Understand? 29 minus 3 you do 26. 26 D add. Now A3 is equal to how much value? 12 plus 26 into D means how much? 2 is equal to 12 plus 26 2 ja 52. 12 plus 52 how much? 64. That is the answer. Okay. Very easy. Please make a note. You understand? Understand? So that is only. See here. A23. A third term plus 26D. 26D. Third term is equal to how much? 12 plus 26. D means how much? 2. 26 into 2. Now 12 plus 26. 2 are how much? 52. 12 plus 52 how much? 64. That's all. Understand? Very easy. This formula also one time here write beside. This is useful. Suppose mth term AM is equal to P. If AM is equal to P and AN is equal to Q means then common difference D is equal to what is the formula means Q minus P by N minus M. This is the common difference formula. If AP is given means that is common difference formula A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3 like that. This one common difference like this is given, then Q minus P by N minus M. This is a very very easy method. You can solve the problem within seconds. It is useful for competitive exam. Okay children? Okay everyone, please make a note. And also see all my dear friends and children, everybody who are watching my channel, please all of you like this video and share to your friends, but don't forget subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel, then you will get our notifications immediately. Okay, all members, you are encouraging me. So many members already subscribed. I am very happy to. I am very very happy. But once again, so each and everybody, you tell to your friends and share to your friends, but don't forget subscribe. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Thank you very much and thank you for watching.